All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a custom domain with CPV One using a subdomain. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to our domain registrar, and I'm going to be using Namecheap for this example, but this will be different depending on which domain provider you're actually using. So here I'm going to go ahead and go to the domain list, and then I'm going to go ahead and look for the domain I'd like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Manage button here. And then we're going to see a list of different icons. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Advanced DNS. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to see an area that says Host Records. And then we're going to go ahead and add a new record. So we're going to be adding a CNAME record. And in the host area, we can add pretty much anything we like as long as it's a number or alphabet. So I'm going to go ahead and add example just for this demonstration. And then we're going to go ahead and go to CPV One's documentation area. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL. And then we're going to paste this into the target area here. And then click on the check mark and save. So now we just need to wait for the domain to propagate, and then we will come back. Alrighty, guys, so once the domain has propagated, we're going to go ahead and go back to CPV One. And then we're going to go to the Settings tab and click on this drop-down menu. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Custom Domains. And then here we're going to go ahead and add our domain with the subdomain attached to it. And then click on Save. And now we can go ahead and scroll down and see if our domain has propagated fully. So we can see that the CNAME is fine, but we need to wait for the SSL to fully propagate. So we'll come back in a little bit. So now we can see that the domain has fully propagated and SSL is working fine. So we can go ahead and go to a campaign now. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on an example campaign. And we can see that our custom domain is in the tracking domain area. And now we can use this for our campaigns, and our subdomain for our new custom domain will be in the campaign URL as well. So thank you guys for checking out this video, and take care.